In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete an invoice from your billing dashboard. If you've ever issued a duplicate invoice by mistake or created a test invoice you no longer need, deleting it keeps your records clean and your reports accurate. A quick heads up before we begin, deleting an invoice is usually permanent. Double-check that you won't need it for reporting, taxes, or customer history later. If you do need any details, note them now, because once it's gone, it's typically not recoverable. Let's walk through the process together. Start by navigating to the Invoices area of your account. You'll usually find it in the main menu on the left or top navigation bar, clearly labeled Invoices. Opening this section shows your list of invoices, along with filters and a search box that can help you quickly locate the one you want to remove. Confirm you're looking at the right billing period or status so you don't accidentally select the wrong record. Next, open your invoice. Click on its entry to view the full details. This is a good moment to confirm it's truly the one you intend to delete. Check the customer name, date, amount, and invoice number. If anything looks off, back out and select the correct invoice from the list. With the invoice open, find the More Actions option. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a button labeled More Actions, an ellipsis icon, or a small gear near the top right corner of the page. Click it to reveal the available actions for that invoice. From the drop-down, choose Delete. Systems often place Delete near the bottom of the menu to prevent accidental clicks, so scroll if you don't see it right away. Selecting Delete will trigger a confirmation prompt. Finally, confirm deletion. Read the confirmation message carefully. It's your last chance to verify you're removing the correct invoice. If everything checks out, approve the deletion. After a moment, you should see a confirmation banner, and the invoice will disappear from your list. Some platforms reserve the original invoice number even after deletion, so don't be surprised if your numbering sequence skips that value later on. If the delete option is grayed out, or you receive an error, the invoice may be locked, already paid, or restricted by your organization's permissions. In that case, reach out to an admin or review your access settings. That's it. Clean, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and keep your invoicing tidy by removing only what you're absolutely sure you don't need.